Some time ago I got myself a MacBook Pro 2011 for a very good price, and it was an amazing machine, except for one part. Some of the keyboard keys didn't work, but that's fine though, as I just use an external keyboard to work on the laptop. One day I saw it had an operating system update, Mac OS 10, I think Lion, to Mac OS 10.13.6, also known as High Sierra. I thought it would be a fine upgrade, since the internet, you know, the most trusted source on the planet, said it would be. Unfortunately, for some reason, it decided the operating system should go kaboom, and I was kind of hard stuck inside of a bricked operating system. Fine, I tried to manually install the base operating system from the internet boot mode that's built into the MacBook, but that just never worked. Okay, I moved on to installing it from a USB drive. I mean, have you ever tried to put macOS on a bootable USB drive from a Windows PC? I gave up on that shit. Last but not least, I decided, fuck it, I'm putting Linux on this bitch. Got my bootable USB, slapped on Ubuntu and installed it on my MacBook Pro 2011. To my surprise, it worked out pretty well. The laptop is a bit sluggish, but that's very highly likely because of the hard drive that's like 15 years old. I'll be swapping the hard drive for an SSD as soon as I can, and then getting the keyboard replacement as well. With 4GB of RAM and a like 2nd gen i5 processor, it's not a beast, but it'll work for something like watching movies or having a nice looking traveling laptop. We'll see. But for now, I will be waiting for your opinion on the matter in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel will be nice.